the manner in which I spoke.
I just think it's a build-up of insecurity, and I think someone coming into the camp will be a godsend, actually. Do you know earlier I said, please, somebody help me out here? Will somebody just stop this, please?
Time to head up to Snake Rock and tell them who will be facing the trial. Here we go.
Oh! Thank you very much.
What have you got for us today?
Good morning.
We've got news.
Good morning.
We've got news. Oh, but it's good news. Well, I wouldn't go that far.
Good morning, everybody. You know why we're here. You know what the news is. The public have been voting for the latest Bush Tucker trial. This one's called Rat Run, and one of you will go up against one person from Croc Creek.
In no particular order, Jessica Jane, the public have decided it might be you.
Willie?
Yes. Oh, rats, no.
No, it's not you.
Stephanie. It's not you.
Oh, Dougie.
So that means Dougie, it might be you.
It's between Jessica Jane and Dougie. The public have decided the person they want to see face Rat Run is Dougie.
Dougie, we'll see you at the Bush Tucker trial area later on. Have a lovely day. Have a good day.
You
They're just ratties. They're just ratties. No. They're just little furry things, you know? Oh, it'll be easy for you.
Okay.
It'll be easy for you.
Bring one back as a pet.
Oh, this will be great. This will be right up your alley.
They will be right up your alley later.
Who do you suppose they do?
So there you go, your votes mean that Dougie is facing the trial, and in a few minutes we'll find out which member of Croc Creek he'll be up against.
But before that, back to our new arrivals. Life in the jungle is all about decisions. Pat and Sunita made the decision to take the tough route into camp.
And the producers had taken a very easy decision to get the money's worth out of that cave that wasn't used in show one.